If you really want to escape through this concrete jungle and you really wanted your soul to set free, Hometown Chacha is a very beautiful sitcom to watch. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released this remake of Mr. Hong, the 2004 Korean drama, and it's best to watch right now. We already know that during the pandemic we are all stressed and we really need a fresh breeze or something to lighten up the burden that we have within ourselves. So let's review what the story is all about, what the plot is all, and what we could learn from it. Shin Min Ha is playing a dentist here, and she is very honest to her profession, and she is realist and rightful, and she is more caring about her patients. Unfortunately or fortunately, she met an old lady who is about she's supposed to be her neighbor, next door apartment neighbor, and then next day she found out that she is her patient. So she is nice and kind to patient, and she knows that what the patient really needs, whereas the administration wants something else. So there is a battle between her rightfulness and the economical or financial gain that the clinic could get out of the patient. So that became a clash, and she fired herself up because she doesn't want to do work under that administration that thinks only about money. But she made a mixed mistake. She made a huge mistake the very night she posted online something about the clinic. So that's why no one is going to give her a job. She tries her level best to find a job, but she's now emotionally broken and she wanted a peace. So she moves to Gongjin, the place where her mother, where I think it was her native place where she was born. Beach, she meets Chief Hang. So officially he is jobless, but he is quite a busy person in the town. He is busy helping all these people, and I think that's how he's earning his bread and butter, by helping or getting commission out of this petty jobs that he is doing. He is working at the construction, or he is working at the fisheries also. He is helping with the volunteers also, all sorts of jobs he could help, and especially the elders in the community. But that's a very crucial part that she really missed while she is trying to move to this place. So she found out and did a little research around this place, and she thought that why don't I open my own clinic here? So there is an opportunity, there is a way, and thus starts the story. Now she is officially at this beach, and she has made her clinic also, and now she has to start her business. Unfortunately, she made a very huge mistake because she's an urban girl, and she doesn't like the environment that is totally different from way she was living it. So she attended a party there. It is all about the town elders, and she doesn't like the guy from the coffee shop, and he has a coffee shop, but he is like boasting about his singing and all this. And there was a speaker and at that building, and she was taking a call and talking to her friend in the city, and thus all these people listened what she is thinking about the people over here, and especially the singer. On the very first day, she made a mistake. She lost the trust of all those customers to be from the town, and now she has to win their hearts. But her only option is Chief Hang. Will he be able to help her? How she can earn their respect and love is all about hometown cha cha cha. I hope after the startup drama, I think Kim Sun Ho earned the respect of a lot of people, and he has made a huge audience, and he garnered a respect from people, and especially his character in that one was also helpful. Here also there is a similarity. He really wanted to give that similar image that he is being helpful to people, no matter he is getting money from them, but he is there for everyone, and you will really be amazed. And especially if you are totally stressed, it's always to go somewhere else where all this stressful environment and will not haunt you. And especially it's a good series, and I hope to watch. I thought that there are all the episodes are, but unfortunately they are coming in upcoming months. It will be from September to October, it will remain there. So I hope you will enjoy this. It's good to learn something good. And imagine, sometimes the opportunities that we are craving for are not the place where we are. Sometimes we are at the wrong place at the right time, and sometimes we have to find out where we can really fit ourselves in the jigsaw, and she found a place. So it's always good to just live in the minimal life setup instead of expecting more from the concrete or urban environment. Thank you so much. Thank you for bearing me and have a great watch. Take care of loved ones. Stay safe and keep smiling and show some grace and gratitude and learn something from it. Bye bye.